Today I'm reviewing the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com. Check out my Patreon community or click on the Amazon link below. So I've been meaning to get to some more of these Klairs products, and I'm slowly getting to them, so bear with me. Today I've got their Rich Moist Soothing Cream, and I'll also be doing my full review of their Midnight Blue Calming Cream, which I can't believe I haven't done that one yet. It's just amazing to me that I haven't. So, anyway, Klairs calls this a cream infused with yeast-derived beta-glucan, tomato. This cream fortifies the skin's natural moisture barrier and also enhances the skin's ability to repair cells by strengthening the protective layer of dry and sensitive skin from the inside out. So let me get on to my first criteria, which is packaging and plastic squeeze tube. No real issues with it. Very easy for dispensing the product, and also keeps it protected, the ingredients, from exposure to light and air. So no issues with that. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those, so that's great, especially for those with dry or sensitive skin. So very nice. Then we get to the third criteria, which is Klairs has made a lot of jumps and bounds with some of their products and making a lot of their great stuff fragrance-free for sensitive skin. However, this formula is not one of those. It contains anise fruit extract, lavender oil, eucalyptus oil, geranium oil, lemon peel oil, orange peel oil, and ylang-ylang oil. It's a lot of fragrance, and it is noticeable. However, it does dissipate pretty quickly for the most part. So that's the major downer with this one, is that it does contain a lot of citrus and fragrant oils, which aren't the best for sensitive skin and dry skin and people that prefer to be fragrance-free. In terms of the manufacturing location, this is made in Korea, so no issues with that. I'll try and do a pH test. We'll see how thick the cream is, but on to ease of use. So, ease of use, it's a thicker cream, so I would use this in your routine towards the end of it, just because it is kind of thick. So I would use this if you use serums or any treatments. Use those before and then use this toward the end or as the very last step in your routine. So it is thick but absorbs pretty nicely and plays well with other products. The pH appears to be about 5.5, so no issues with that. Yeah, so after cleansing, toning essences and serums, use it as your last step. It applies easily, absorbs quickly, and layers well with other products. Doesn't feel greasy and sets to a nice radiant matte finish. So very easy to use. In terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, we've got a long list here. So we've got sodium hyaluronate, shea butter, jojoba seed oil, beta-glucan, which is kind of the star of this, which is an antioxidant derived from oat and yeast sugars, which can help soothe skin, also helps with redness and dryness, and is a great ingredient for those with sensitive skin. It's a good ingredient. The product might not be the best fit, though, especially if they're making it for sensitive skin. Does it say sensitive skin on there? Well, it doesn't, so. Although it does say free of dyes, fragrances. Not super true. Okay, so beta-glucan. Then we've got ceramide, great for hydrating, helps maintain a healthy skin barrier. It also helps firm skin. We've got vitamin E, arginine, which arginine is an amino acid with antioxidant benefits. Chinese skull root extract, which is another good antioxidant. Algin, which is a brown algae, which is a good antioxidant. Purslane, another good antioxidant, which is skin soothing, due to its makeup of beta-carotene. Then we've got centella asiatica extract, very good for calming, anti-inflammatory. Althea rose extract, aloe, celery extract, cabbage leaf extract, broccoli extract, turnip, carrot, rice extract, tomato, lysine, proline, and sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a form of vitamin C. This almost sounds like something you could eat. Broccoli, cabbage, turnip, carrot, rice extract, tomato. My dogs might end up really liking this if they ever had a chance to eat it. So, they won't though. Don't worry. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this product is cruelty-free as well as vegan. Performance, moderately hydrating for most skin types. Works decent in evening and morning routines. Helps with moderate dryness and doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy at the same time. It does contain a few acneogenic ingredients, which I'll mention: cetyl alcohol, cyclopentasiloxane, glyceryl stearate, stearic acid, shea butter, jojoba seed oil, sorbitan, sesquioleate, PEG 100, stearate, sorbitan, stearate, and dimethicone. That was actually a long list of acneogenic ingredients, so keep that in mind. I'm going to talk about this one in a second. Okay, in terms of the price, so this is a full size, which is 2 ounces, and it retails for $24.50. So, pretty affordable, and a little bit can go a long way. So, no issues with the price. Then in terms of the it factor, contains a lot of citrus and fragrance ingredients. Because of that, I would probably recommend more so using this in your evening routine when you're not out in the sun. Some of those citrus ingredients can interact with sunlight and just not be a good combination. I like that it's got a lot of good beneficial ingredients, cruelty-free, super affordable, well-packaged. But those fragrance makes it not so good for sensitive skin. And it's loaded with acneogenic ingredients, so those with acne-prone skin probably a pass as well. Personally, if you're looking for a good Klairs product, I love their Midnight Blue Calming Cream. No fragrance in this one. Also well packaged and affordable. So, thought I would mention that one. Maybe I should do a versus of these two. They look kind of mysterious next to one another. Might have to do that. Okay, so overall, on the Sarah score scale out of 10, the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream gets an 8. And mostly because of that fragrance. That's the big issue, the big hang-up. And those acneogenic ingredients also make it not quite as usable for everyone. But overall, still decent. It's better than a lot of other things out there. So, still worth considering. So, anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try it. And if you have, what your thoughts are. Or if you have a favorite Klairs product, what is it? Or if you have a favorite soothing cream, what is it? Everyone needs to have a few soothing products at their dispense. You just never know when you might accidentally overdo it with something, or your skin might just start to freak out. It's good to have something soothing on hand just in case. So, anyway, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.